Hey guys, today we're making Tuscan style chicken with prosciutto and mozzarella cheese. It's going to have olives in it and garlic, onions. It's going to be really good. This is the first time we've made this, so it's kind of a learn as you go deal. So I hope it comes out great. Follow along and you'll see how we come out. Alright, I wanted to show you the ingredients for our Tuscan chicken with prosciutto, mozzarella, cheese on it. This will be a good dish, but we're going to have some mozzarella cheese and some garlic. Always got to have garlic. This is our prosciutto and our pounded chicken breasts, some onions. Of course, we're going to use some breadcrumbs, stuffed olives, some sliced mushrooms, some pepper, fine Himalayan pink salt, some oregano leaves, and some parsley flakes. So this is our ingredients, and we're going to get ready here and put them together. Alright, we're going to saute down our onions and our mushrooms. We're going to add some olive oil to a hot cast iron. My friend Scott, he likes cast iron, so it's for you, Scott. We're cooking in some cast iron today. So we're going to heat up our olive oil, put a little olive oil in there, add our onions here to it, and we're going to put maybe a half a jar of these mushrooms. Right, there's our onions and our mushrooms, just lightly sauteed. And turn our burner off here, and we're going to just set them over here with the rest of our, we set up a station over here where we're putting things together. So we're just going to set them over here. I've always set hot pans down on tile. Never seemed like a bother. That's the nice thing about tile. I've never had any issues with it, and these have been down here for many years. Alright, the first thing we want to do here is we're going to season our chicken. We got some nice, so I'm going to add a little pepper on them. Plain old pepper. And I've got this Himalayan pink salt. It's really fine. You got to be careful when you put it on because it'll come out really fast. So I kind of hold it up high. We're going to add some oregano leaves. Spread out. Got some parsley flakes. Okay, guys, this is the first time I've made this Tuscan chicken, and so we're going to kind of let you know as we go along. A lot of recipes, you know, I get an idea and I make it my own. You know, everybody has different ways of doing things, and I do mine my way. So I get a spoon out here. We're going to take some garlic here. You can't go without garlic on anything. So I'm going to put some garlic across here. I've seen different ways that they've made this Tuscan chicken. So I'm going to take prosciutto. I'm going to put about 2 slices of prosciutto on each one of these. And then we're going to take our sauteed onions. Got to use a pan still hot. And we're going to spoon out our onions and mushroom mixture that we sauteed down. Spread them out onto each one of these. The trick, I think, might be is rolling these up. Not sure if there's a trick to it or not, but we're going to find out. Alright, last thing we're going to do is I took some of these olives. These were like whole stuffed olives, and I cut them in half. And so we're putting olives on this. Spread them out. Now whatever falls out when I get done rolling them, that's for me to eat. That's the bonus of being the cook. I have a feeling a lot of stuff's going to come rolling out. Alright, so we got the olives down, so that's what we got so far. The only thing we got left in here is our mozzarella cheese. We're just using shredded mozzarella cheese. Okay, so we put a nice layer of mozzarella cheese over both of them there. So guys, there's our initial start before we rolled them. The next part is see if I can roll them or not. Alright guys, here goes the tricky part. I'm going to try to roll them and just see what I can come out with. I'm going to do it try to do it kind of tight. See, I know I'm going to lose a lot of stuff off the sides. So what I did here is I'm going to roll these up, and got some toothpicks here. And we're going to put toothpicks in them just to hold them together. I'm not going to be afraid to use too many toothpicks. Not too bad. Let's try this next one, see if we can get that one to come together. Alright, there we are. I'm going to add a little more seasonings to the top. We're going to dust just a little of the pink salt on it. A little bit of black pepper. Some of our parsley flakes. They don't come out as fast. And some oregano. Alright, next what I'm going to do here, I want to try to roll these in breadcrumbs. So I'm going to just kind of set them in here. I'm going to just sit in there and sprinkle some of that breadcrumbs around it here. And then we're going to transfer it to this baking sheet. Okay, we're going to do this in our little oven so we don't start the big oven today. We're going to do it at 350 degrees. We're going to put it on the bake cycle. And we're going to start out with about 30 minutes. It's probably going to take longer than that, but we're going to set it for 30 minutes to start with. So we're preheating the oven right now. There we go. This is our Tuscan style chicken with prosciutto and mozzarella cheese. We got it all set up on the pan ready to go in the oven. We've preheated our oven to 350 degrees to get it nice and warm. So we're going to go ahead and put this on the middle shelf. Set this timer for about 30 minutes, and then we're going to check on it and see how it comes out. Since it's the first time we made it, we'll determine what our cook times will be. Alright, we did it for 30 minutes first time and checked it, and it really wasn't quite done. I didn't think it would, so we did another 30 minutes. So it's been an hour now, and look at that. I think it's just done just right. So hey, we're going to pull it out here, put it on a plate, and see what we got. Alright guys, we got it out of the oven. It looks really, really good. Now I did see some of the liquids have burned on the outside, but that's pretty normal when you cook anything there. But it looks like it's nice golden crust on the outside. We're going to pull this off and put it on a plate and check it out, see what we got. Hey guys, here's our Tuscan chicken. It came out really, really good. We tried this one. We made 2 of them, and we ate the other one, but we'll probably save this one for later. Hey, give this a try. You know, the only thing I didn't show you in the recipe is I did spray a little bit of spray vegetable over the top of it, and it makes a nice and crispy outside to it. So, hey, if you guys enjoyed this, give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, leave it in the comments section below. If you're not a subscriber, I invite you to hit the subscribe button. We make all kinds of videos, but we do make a cooking video at least once a week. And today we just happen to be doing a Tuscan chicken with prosciutto and mozzarella cheese. It was a good one. I'd recommend giving this one a try. Hey, if you want to be notified when we have a new video so you don't miss a one, hit the little bell button at the top. Appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you guys the next time. Happy eating. If you'd like to support our channel, we have links down below that you can click on. We're an Amazon affiliate. We have stickers available. We have a t-shirt store where you can buy t-shirts and coffee chat mugs, or if you just want to support us, you can support us through the PayPal link. So we appreciate all your help. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.